I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making peanut butter pretzel caramel fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We're a week closer to National Fudge Day, which means we're in week 3 of Fudge-a-Palooza. If you're a fudge fanatic, this is the place to be, so if you know anyone who fits that description, maybe you could share this video with them. This recipe takes some shortcuts by incorporating some store-bought treats into the mix, namely peanut butter pretzels and Rolos chocolate caramels. I found the recipe on the Inside Brew Crew Life website. I'll put a link in the description. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter pretzel caramel fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 3 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of marshmallow cream, 1 cup of peanut butter pretzels, and 36 Rolos. I'm using dark chocolate and salted caramel Rolos here because I think it'll be a nice contrast to the white chocolate, but regular Rolos would certainly work. I'm also using a microwave-safe bowl, an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a rolling pin, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the pan and set it aside. Crush the pretzels, but leave them a little bit chunky. Cut the Rolos into quarters. Set aside some of the pretzels and Rolos to use as a topping. Add the white chocolate and sweetened condensed milk to a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring after each until it's melted and smooth. Add the peanut butter, and marshmallow cream, and microwave for another 30 seconds. Stir until everything is combined. Quickly fold in the crushed pretzels and Rolos. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan. Immediately top the fudge with the remaining pretzels and candy. The Rolos were sticking together, so I had to separate them before adding them. Press the topping into the fudge with an offset spatula. Place the fudge in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or until it's set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. Okay, first off, before I even took a bite, the aroma of peanut butter and marshmallow let me know that I was definitely in for a treat. Texture-wise, smooth, creamy fudge, chewy caramel, crunchy pretzel. The flavor combination is amazing. You know I'm a fan of chocolate and peanut butter, but the addition of marshmallow really brings this to a whole new level, and the salted caramel tops things off nicely. This is definitely going on my favorites list. And I have to say, this could be the best fudge I've ever made. If you're looking for a fudge that scores a 10 out of 10 on the RMC scale, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. And tonight, I'm making peanut butter pretzel fudge. No, I'm not. I'm Randy, and I make blah, blah. This recipe takes some shortcuts by incorporating some store-bought tastes. You know, I'm